Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about the P0097 trouble code. Now the symptoms of P0097 code. Now you're going to have a check engine light illumination, just signaling that there's going to be a diagnostic issue with your intake air temperature sensor. Reduce engine performance, so your car is going to run less efficiently than it used to. Decrease power much more. Poor fuel economy, so if you notice more trips to the gas station, this is a symptom of P0097. Rough idling or hesitation, so if you notice that there's disrupts between your engine performance, then that is due to this code. Difficulty starting engine as well due to the initial fuel mixture. Now, common causes of P0097 is going to be a faulty IAT sensor. This can affect engine performance and just overall give you a decreased experience with your vehicle. Damage or corroded wiring. Now, these are very important to take a look at. Poor electrical connections, sensor position too close to heat sources. So if your sensor's not, insulated in a form of insulated heat resistance wrap, that can be a culprit. PCM malfunction. So these are just to be aware of those, but replace IAT sensor, repair wiring connectors, replace blown fuses, and inspect and reprogram PCM. These are very important to do. Now, replacing blown fuses is very easy. I know a lot of you guys don't know exactly how you could diagnose a fuse, but go to your fuse box, look for the right fuse, pull out the right amperage fuse, and inside that fuse, there's going to be a little coil in the fuse. Now, if the coil in the fuse is intact and everything's perfectly fine, it doesn't look fried or burned, then you're fine. All right, it's not the fuse. However, if that little coil in the middle of the fuse is not intact or is burnt, that is a blown fuse. So it's best to replace that with the right amperage fuse. And repairing wiring connectors, you may have rodents or whatever it may be, rats, and they can bite into your wiring harness. So just doing a brief inspection could really, prevent any other issues. But pretty much that's it for today's video regarding P0097. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, thank you guys for watching. Here on this channel, we try to give you a fast and general insight of what may be wrong with your car. So if this did help you out, please subscribe to the channel for more error videos. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you until next time.